Since we don't have a culture of respecting, knowing and understanding these food growers, when they start crying or food is not growing, we say, oh, shut up, we're watching the next episode of whatever drama, your nonsense is like, oh, food not growing and vegetables not growing. Who cares about that? But then you go to the market and then you find out that green peas, which used to cost 150 rupees a kilo not so long ago, are today they are which used to cost 50 rupees, now they're suddenly 200 rupees. And then you go back within 20 days and they're 230 or something. And these fluctuations are just increasing and increasing. So a lot of families have to give up on their food, at least proper nutritious food. They're eating junk food, or they're giving up food, and they're just eating trash or something. They go to the market and they say, okay, let's buy a packet of Lay's chips or something, which is not nutritious at all. It makes them hungry, it makes them starved, it makes them overstuffed on sugar and salt. Sugar and salt burn inside your body. When they burn inside your body, when salt goes to your brain, it burns there, it gives sparks. And so it's like a short circuit, and you become like violent. Because salt is what the electrical system of the brain works on. Okay? And sugar just burns inside your body. Sorry, this is a home video, there's going to be a lot of noise in the background. Sugar burns inside your body and just starts eating up your cells. It does not give nutrition to your cells, it eats your cells. And so if you're eating sugar, you need to eat more and more, because it's actually causing starvation in the body. First of all, it is not giving nutrition to your body. So your body, let's say, you have this bigger body, it needs like some kilojoules of energy. And you put sugar in it, and sugar just burns. It's not giving you any food, it's not giving you anything that is going to become a part of your biological cells. It is just burn. It's just going to burn, and you feel like, okay, I have energy for a while, but it's not sustainable energy. It's like a burst of energy for a while, because sugar just burns inside, and then it fizzles out, and then you just fall down, and then you feel like, I need that burst again, because your body felt like it was good, and then you do it again. It's like a spark of fire again and again and again, but you're actually burning down your system while you're not replenishing the cells, which need other things. They need carbon and phosphorus and sodium and other minerals and edibles to actually make new cells, because your biology, you're made up of cells, and you need to make new cells and maintain old ones. And the cells that break down in your skin and your stomach and all over your body, you need to make them again. So you need actual substance. And sugar is not substance. Remember, sugar is just fire. It's not substance. You need substance.